What if holding in a massive sneeze could literally explode inside your body? You feel it building, that unstoppable tickle, but you clamp down hard trying to suppress it. Big mistake. That explosive pressure has to go somewhere. It can rupture blood vessels in your eyes, turning them bloodshot instantly, or worse, tear your throat's delicate tissues. Doctors have seen cases where it fractures ribs from the sheer force, even burst eardrums, leaving you dizzy and hearing muffled for days. In rare horrors, it's caused brain aneurysms or blown air into the skull. Your body designed sneezing to protect you. Never fight it. Next time that sneeze hits, just let it rip. Trust me, better out than in.